So this is a motor that came in that had water in its oil. We went and drained it, changed it, and it started growing oil and it turned milky, and so we drained it, changed it again, and then it's grew more oil, and we've got a 5-gallon bucket in there, and right now it's got 5 quarts of oil in there. It's still got some residue from the water that was in the oil, but you want to pull the stick, show that it's on the below mark. So it's right down at the bottom, right there. So we're going to start it up and run it and check to see if it grows oil. That's the filter we pulled off of it. As you can see, that's a lot of, so something's causing water to get in there. You can see the filter. So we're going to go ahead and change it, start it up. Water on. Water's on, start up. Good flow. So we're going to let it sit out here and run and see if it grows some oil.